Alright, I'm making a video about making a toolbox lower for my new toolbox. That's my old toolbox. My new one is 41 inches wide. So I'm going to make a new lower on wheels, ball bearing drawers, but wider to fit my new toolbox. This is my dog, Chloe. Hey, Chloe's. Hey, Chloe's. How you doing? So, yeah, I'm gonna make the bottom by cutting these. I guess they're 2x2s. I picked some straight ones. So this is gonna be 2x2s, 1/4-inch plywood. You'll see how I'm doing it, but I'm gonna miter the corners. I'm gonna do 44 inches long by 21 because that's how long my drawer slides are. And I'll show you when I get this bottom put together. I'm mitering this because, well, it gives you a little more glue surface area, but I also want to be able to put a bolt through here. And if I just did the right angle thing, I'd have to put a screw through there and it would get in the way of my caster wheels. So I'll update you when I get the bottom assembled and show you what I'm doing. I got the bottom frame part almost done, and you can see I'm just making it a rectangle. And here I got this glued, 3 brad nails just to kind of hold it while I put this screw in, one on each corner. I just set the screw down here like this, make sure I don't come out the back side, and then I put a drill right here, drill that in. This way this screw is coming through here like this, and I got room here to drill a hole to put a lag bolt later. Now I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this. Hold on a second. There we go. There. So this is the bottom frame, and I'm going to put a sheet of plywood, 1/4-inch plywood on top, and then build the frame up from there. I'll show you in the next video. Now I have this bottom frame with wood glue on it and 1/4-inch plywood. That was, the full sheet was $35. So I'm gonna glue this down, which would add a lot of strength to these corners, and nail it all the way around. Nail it all the way around. Hit something there. Not exactly sure what that was. Update, making sides now. I put 2 18 gauge nails in there and 1 3.5-inch screw at each corner. And then this will, you make sure your glue is not in a vital location. This will go, I'll glue this and nail it down right here. Do the same for the other side. I already got it built right there. And then I'll just make some crossbars or some boards across the top here to connect it all together. Essentially making a box out of 2x2s and 1/4-inch plywood. Okay, update. Now I'm going to glue these side pieces onto the side here, put a couple nails in, and then just a couple of screws. And then these will, well, I won't be able to put a screw right through there, I guess, because there's one right in the middle, but I'll figure something out. Connect the tops. I have plywood on the back and on the, well, the bottom was already done, but I have plywood on the back. I'm going to hold off doing the sides until after I get the drawer slides installed. I bought a set of 5 20-inch full extension ball bearing slides from Amazon. I think they were like $80 for a set of 5, which is a really good deal. And now I'm making the drawers. This is just 3/4 inch, 1x4, I guess, or 1x5. And I just do screws in a butt joint. I'm not doing dovetails here. I'm not doing anything too fancy. And then I'm going to put 1/4-inch plywood just on the bottom, glue it, nail it with some 18 gauge brad nails, and then I'll update you after that. Alright, quick update. I got the 4 drawers made. Just like I told you, I just do some screws, butt joint, and now I'm putting these side rails in, also 2x2s, ball bearing slides, and it took some fitting and sanding in certain spots because I made everything a little too tight and I was rubbing down here, so I had to sand that down a little bit. I had to raise and lower these to get these drawers to fit in there just right. You see the full extension, it comes almost all the way out. And I got these 2 drawers done. Of course, I'm going to put faces on these doors and some door handles. I can't even get the bottom one out while the top one is in. It's all fitting pretty good. So yeah, I'm going to put a board across here and come out to here, and that's what this will hit on when the door shuts. And then I'm going to put a pull handle on it, kind of like those over there. But anyway, this is just a progress report. The next one will probably be when it's almost done. Now I just have to do that side. Alright, this is going to be my final video on this tool chest. I'm dismantling my old lowers. I'm going to burn them, so I'm removing the hardware. There's my old tool chest. And I have the new one. I have a motion sensor and LED lights hooked up to the new one, which is why I'm off to the side here so you can see that work. See, all I gotta do is like walk to right here and the light comes on. This is the motion sensor, obviously plugged in here. LED lights. So this will light up as soon as you walk in front of it. Here's the lower toolbox. I have yet to put the handles on the drawers. but basically it's this one except wider. I know I skipped some steps there at the end, but you can see the final product. If there's one thing I'm not happy about is this giant gap right here. Not exactly sure what happened. It's touching over here. I don't know if the drawer is not in there straight or if just this face is warped or crooked. This one does it also, but not as bad. And also I got these little AAA motion sensor lights in the drawers, and some of them need new batteries, but I wanted to get them all in there before I put new batteries in all of them. This one I didn't have, I was one short, so I like how these open up all the way. My last one, like there was literally 8 inches that it wouldn't open, and junk just ended up at the end and you couldn't get to it. You just forgot stuff was in there. Doesn't look too bad. You won't notice it. So yeah, like I said, I just need to put some handles on. This is the junk drawer. Every time you got a toolbox, you got one drawer that's sort of like miscellaneous. These are all fasteners, glues, screws, nails. So yeah, I need to get some handles, and this project will be done. I was gonna put a big shelf or a big drawer on the bottom, and I might do that later, but I'll do it later. So this concludes the video of my toolbox lower. I can turn that light off with that switch and turn it on with the switch too, or I can just leave it on and then the motion sensor will make it come on. A little delay there. I can turn off the lights. Lights it up pretty good. So I'm gonna put all new batteries in all of these because some of them are almost dead. Chloe helped me, didn't you, Chloe? Didn't you help me? Didn't you help me? Yes, you did. All right, thanks for watching.